Ruggable launches Machine-Washable Star Wars collection ahead of the Mandalorian and Grogu premiere as May 4th approaches. A day widely celebrated by fans as Star Wars Day homeowners looking to infuse their spaces with galactic flair have a new option. Ruggable, a brand known for its durable, machine-washable flooring, has officially released a comprehensive Star Wars collection. This launch is strategically timed to coincide with the upcoming theatrical release of The Mandalorian and Grogu on May 22, offering fans a tangible way to celebrate the franchise's latest chapter. A blend of function and fan service, unlike traditional decorative rugs that often require dry cleaning or delicate handling. Ruggable's new designs prioritize practicality without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. The collection is engineered to withstand common household accidents, from pet mishaps to spilled drinks, making it suitable for high-traffic areas in homes where fans might host viewing parties. The range includes both interior rugs and exterior doormats, allowing for a cohesive thematic design throughout an entryway or living space. Each piece features high-definition printing and durable materials, ensuring that the iconic imagery remains vibrant over time. Key designs in the collection offers a variety of styles, catering to both subtle decor preferences and bold statements. Mandalore Scarlet Red Rug. This design serves as a tribute to the titular heroes, featuring Mandalorian helmets. The Darksaber and Grogu set against a rich red background. Rebellion Rug. Focusing on the alliance to restore the Republic, this rug showcases X-Wings, A-Wings, and the Millennium Falcon in dynamic flight patterns. Dark Side Damask Rug. A unique twist on traditional decor, this rug weaves iconic villains like Darth Vader, Boba Fett, and stormtroopers into an elegant, floral-inspired damask pattern. Grogu Trellis Sage Green Rug. For a more minimalist approach, this design features a subtle Grogu motif set within a soft sage green trellis pattern. Galactic Greeting Doormat. Completing the set is a doormat featuring Grogu with the welcoming phrase, "Welcome to the Galaxy," setting the tone for visitors before they even step inside. Why this launch matters. The timing of this release highlights the enduring commercial power of the Star Wars franchise, particularly following the surge in popularity driven by the Mandalorian series. By merging high-end home goods with pop culture, brands like Ruggable are tapping into the experience economy, where consumers seek products that not only serve a function, but also express their identities and fandoms. Furthermore, the emphasis on machine washability addresses a common pain point for pet owners and families who want to display beloved media merchandise without the risk of permanent stains. This practical angle broadens the appeal beyond hardcore collectors to everyday homeowners who value both style and ease of maintenance. The collection offers everything from subtle nods to movie moments to full-blown galactic statements, suggesting a versatile approach to interior design for fans of all levels. Conclusion. Ruggable's Star Wars collection provides a practical, yet visually striking way for fans to prepare their homes for the release of The Mandalorian and Grogu. By combining iconic imagery with durable, easy-care materials, the brand bridges the gap between fan merchandise and functional home decor.